A determined founder found friction in local services, where skilled tradesmen struggled to win quick gigs and reliable customers. They launched a modular repair platform called BluePeak that matched nearby technicians with on-demand repair requests. The model used small crowd-funded microloans and a transparent rating system to sustain cash flow. A pilot in a mid-sized city halved wait times and doubled technicians' earnings in 3 months. The story shows investment discipline, perseverance, and fast learning turning a bold idea into tangible local impact for communities everywhere.